Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. We do appreciate you guys. If you're on the playlist, you'll know that we're in Sawmill branch by D.R. Horton down here in Palm Coast, and we're down on Millwheel Court and kind of doing a little expose on Millwheel Court and how cool the area it is. And we're doing all the homes. Right now we're standing in front of the Cali. This is an available inventory home. It's called the Cali. It is, the Cali is 1,862 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. We've had some other folks in the past purchase these homes in like San Salito, Crescent Key, up in St. Johns County and all, and they've really liked them. So I wanted to make sure we showed this one to you. So come on along, let's learn about it. All right, gang, this is the Cali, and down here in Millwheel Court in the cul-de-sac. I want to show you guys something too. If you can see, this is going to be a sidewalk, and I didn't show this on the lakeside right here next door, but this is a sidewalk that's going to connect up to an existing sidewalk. So I always think sidewalks are cool. It's going to go all the way down, and it looks like it's going to hook up to an existing sidewalk they already have in on the other side. That takes you out into the community. So sidewalks for me are very cool. I like to have them, and people walk by walking the pups, or out for an evening stroll. You get to talk to people. It's very, very cool. So anyway, the Cali down here in the cul-de-sac on Millwheel Court. Appreciate you guys coming along. We always enjoy that. Let's see, I've got all current pricing. These are all inventory homes, and I do have current pricing on all of them, so give us a shout. We can get you that. So make sure you get good, accurate information. That's what we want. We never want to give you anything that isn't accurate. Anyway, little coat closet here as you enter the front door. Cali is part of the Express Series homes. You'll see vinyl throughout and then carpet in the bedrooms. Okay. Let's see what's we got. As builders do, I said it over in the lakeside. Most builders traditionally, they'll have your bedrooms on either side up front and the bathroom in the center. I don't care who builds the house. It just seems like that's just the way we do it. But decent size, again, the Cali is, what did I say? The Cali is 1,862 square feet. So decent sized bedrooms, okay? Decent size. Closets are a little smallish, I'll say. That's as far as they go. And I always shoot the floor so you can kind of get a better view of the actual size of the room, I'll call it. That way you really know. Looking at a doorway doesn't really tell you that. There'll be bifold doors, of course. 8-foot ceilings, standard ceilings. And if you guys watched the lakeside video I just did, or if you haven't, go ahead and watch that. That's on the playlist. But you got your slide-in, your acrylic tub set up and everything, all 3 pieces, and very, very nice. Those things are super strong. But you have your drop-in sink. These are all quartz countertops, okay? And then you got the drop-in sinks and everything. Very nice. These things are sturdy. I mean, they're thick too. The material they use in these things is freaking crazy thick, and those are all Moen faucets, okay? All right, let's see what else we got here. Same thing, bedroom, kind of a duplicative, I guess, pretty much in size. Nothing. It's all about the same. What kind of closet? Same kind of closet in this one. Here in the Cali. Very nice. Let's see what else we got here. We got some, of course, normal lighting, and don't need to go down that little hole there. Another little coat closet. Okay, all right. We got 2 of them. One at the front door and one right here. Sweet. Coming kind of in, you get to a little vestibule area. Entrance to the 2-car garage. AC closet right there. That's what that little door there is. The louver door right there. Okay. Wash and dryer centrally located in the home. Then you come over here to another bedroom. Again, like I said, I think the bedrooms are all kind of the same size, pretty close. None of them are. This one might be a little bigger, it looks like. Again, another closet. Again, AC closet there. And we'll go into the kitchen space and gathering area. Great room. Again, very nice. And I didn't show this in the lakeside next door, but all quartz countertops. Okay, good stuff. Single bolt, all undermount stainless. Upgraded water. There we go, very nice. Upgraded faucet here. I like that commercial look. That's kind of cool. Very nice. Let's see, a little curve on the outlet. That's always nice to have. Adds a little personality. So decent sized pantry too. This is a good for an 1,800 square foot home. This is a good sized pantry. All right. This is a wide open space here. Look at this. Wide open. Yeah, Sharon, I can get you any other information. Check out our webpage on Sawmill branch on our website, Welcome Home St. John's. Actually, there's part of it's set up for Palm Coast, Flagler County. So we can make sure we take great care of folks here in the Palm Coast area. Let's go check out the master. Again, Sharon's really good at websites. She loves doing them. And she's really taking good care of us. I always like to bring up the windows that D.R. Horton uses. MIs. These are really good windows. They feel good going up and down. They stay square. You know, of course, everything's dual pane now for insulation factors and all. You know, radiant. You got the green insulating coating on them and all. Those are good windows. And I'm not just saying. I mean, I'm telling you, those are for less expensive, like, you know, Pellas and all those kinds of windows. They're super expensive. You know, PGTs, super expensive windows. These things are moderately priced. That's why a lot of the builders go to them, and they're high quality. And drop-in sinks. And I mean, these things are just so thick. I'm checking out the overflow right in here. These things are beefy. There's your shower and everything. You can drop in the unit for the shower. Now, I could not toilet space. This is a ginormous, another closet right here. I said the linen in the lakeside, but this is more just another full closet. As you come in here and you can see this walk-in. I don't know if you, again, I wish I had my flashlight working, but it's a good size walk-in closet because it wraps around the back of the toilet room here too, a little bit back in this area. Okay, so I apologize, but take my word for it, it's a pretty good sized closet. Again, they're still being built, so there's no power in this house yet. All right, let me show you the backyard on this Cali over here. Look at that, and that's the lakeside over there, but this is a decent little backyard as well. This is nothing wrong with that. Nice little patio. You move in, you extend this, you cage it all. Man, what a beautiful little place you'd have back here, right? So, very nice. All right, gang, thanks for coming along today on this, it's Sunday morning actually, and there's a storm moving in, so that's why you see all the wind and everything. But this is the Cali here at Sawmill Branch, down here on Mill Wheel Court, excuse me. And if we get you any other information, get you current pricing. I'm going to keep in touch with the site agents all the time. We get current pricing as soon as they get it, we get it. And Jonathan and Mike and Amanda, we're real good friends of ours, so they take great care of us, so we can take great care of you. Anyway, give us a call if we can help. We appreciate you guys watching, and we'll talk to you next time.